Good afternoon to everyone, students. In our previous lecture, we discussed that how to use sketch mode. Today we'll see how to use this part mode. So for that, click on that part mode and just enter the name of that part. Suppose I'll give sample part here and then unmark this, use default template and then click on OK. After that, from here, we have to select unit, that is mmns, millimeter nanosecond, part solid, and then OK. So wait. Okay, is it visible to all? My screen is visible. Okay. So if you want to use part mode, just click on that part, enter name here, and click on OK. So select unit mmns and let's draw part, 3D part. So there are the three planes, and it is necessary to select proper plane for constructing 3D parts. There are the three planes. First one is right plane, this one is top plane, and this one is front plane. So mostly we use front plane. So just click on front plane and then click on sketch. So as we know all the sketch commands, so we have to draw 2D sketch over there first on that required plane. Suppose if you want to draw one cylindrical part, so from that circle command, as we know all the circle commands, how to use circle command. So use this center and point command for constructing circle just by mentioning that center point and then enter the dimension for that circular part. So it is 500 mm and then OK. Now this is only 2D sketch. We have to convert this 2D sketch into the 3D part. So that's why we have to use here extrude command, and if you use this extrude command, then we can able to convert 2D into 3D part. Okay, so this is extrude command. Now there are the three types, or that is the three types of extrusion. First one, extrude from sketch plane by a specified depth value. That means if we use this first type of extrusion, then we can able to extrude at only one side of selected plane, either on top side or either on bottom side. So this is our first type of extrusion. That means having name extrusion on one side. After that, second one is extrude on both sides. So if we select this second option, then we can able to extrude at the both side of our plane, top side as well as bottom side. And if we use this third one, that means extrude to selected point, curve, plane or surfaces. So we can able to extrude our part at the next plane. So that's why uh, we not use this third extrusion mostly. We use this second extrusion mostly, extrude on both sides. So if you select this, then from that plane at equal dimension, all the extrusion will happen. Suppose the total dimension, from here we can change the dimension of extrusion. Suppose it is 600 mm. Then the 600 mm dimensions divide equally on the both side of that plane. That means if total dimension of extrusion is 600, then 300 at the top side and 300 at the bottom side. that is the extrusion. And if we click on OK, then we can able to construct one cylinder having these dimensions. So this is all about how to use this 3D, how to draw this 3D part with the help of extrusion command. So this is the tree bar, and from that tree bar we can see each and every operation which perform over object. Suppose this is extrude, that means we, we use extrude operation here. Then first one is the sketch. Suppose if you want to change the dimension of sketch, change the dimension of that circle, then just right click over there and go to the edit definition, and we can able to change the dimension of that circle. Suppose instead of 500, if you want 300 mm, and if you click on OK, then the dimension of cylindrical part will be get changed. Now similar for extrusion, if you want to change the height of extrusion, instead of 600 mm, we can change towards 500 mm. So this is the how to construct 3D part with the help of extrusion, extrude command. Suppose if we delete it, then all the part will be get deleted. Now we'll see another part, 3D part. Suppose if you want to draw a rectangle, so by using this center rectangle, we can construct this center rectangle here. Now change the dimension 500, and here is 300, and OK. Now we get 300 by 200 mm dimensions rectangle. Now we have to extrude it. Again, use midpoint extrusion and give thickness, that means z axis dimension, it is 200 mm. So this is one of the rectangle having different dimensions. Now next one is if you want to work on the top surface of a rectangle, just click on that top surface and again go to the sketch mode, and we can able to do over that top surface. Now just right click and click on references, so we can able to provide different references over here. After by clicking line command, we can able to draw different sketch over that top surface of our rectangle. So here I want to draw another rectangle over that rectangle, so that's why I can use corner rectangle now here. So instead of center rectangle, I want to use corner rectangle because we have the corner point here. So that's why just by mentioning first corner point and second corner point, we can able to draw corner rectangle here, and then extrusion. Again enter the dimension of extrusion. Suppose it is 200 mm. In this way we can able to draw different 3D parts with the help of this all commands. So students, these are the two number of commands. In our next practical, we'll see some more commands, how to use this round command, chamfer command, rib command, shell command, then hole command. So different commands we use over there. So we'll see at our next lecture. Thank you.